Hey, I'm Albany. As you're building out your jewelry wardrobe, I have a few solutions to help you keep that sparkle and shine for a lifetime. Okay, the more you love a piece of jewelry, the more often you're likely to wear it. Do you agree? Well, your engagement ring is the symbol of your everlasting love. So that means everyday wear. And of course, that means it's gonna get dirty. I mean, there's really just no way getting around that, right? Luckily, if you treat your ring right, clean it regularly, and store it properly, your treasured memory maker can stand the test of time. You can ensure your diamonds maintain their beautiful sparkle with just a few simple tricks. The main thing to remember is to avoid exposing your gemstone jewelry, your gold, your silver, your platinum, to any extremes of any kind. So if you're considering using a household cleaning product to give your favorite jewelry a quick cleaning, don't. Please don't. Abrasive chemicals can scratch or discolor, so it's really best just to stay away from those. In fact, I always recommend taking your ring off or wearing gloves if you do use cleaning products, like I do. Simply rinsing your jewelry in warm water mixed with just a tiny bit of gentle dish detergent and drying it with a soft cloth will be enough to keep it clean. Seriously. Now, if you do feel like your diamond jewelry needs a deeper clean, the best choice is a professional jeweler. Jared offers free jewelry cleaning and inspection services, and our experts can give you advice on keeping your pieces in perfect shape. For jewelry that you only wear once in a while, proper storage is the key. In fact, did you know moisture can speed up the tarnishing process? So please make sure your pieces are clean and dry when you put them away. Ideally, each piece of jewelry has its own box. But if you need to keep multiple pieces together in a jewelry box, simply lay them out so they're not touching. That way, when you take them out to wear them, they still look as good as new. Diamonds are a 10 on the Mohs scale, so they are extremely durable. But keeping these simple tips in mind will give your diamond a sparkling finish for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Shop with us on site by clicking here. You can subscribe to Jared by clicking here. And find even more videos on questions you may have about jewelry by clicking on this playlist.